G'day guys, yeah, I just wanted to finish off that petrol filler tonight. Varying success. Had a few issues with thin metal and so I had to do a lot of chasing and you know, it's there, but I've still got to do a bit more work on it. I got rid of all of the POR 15 that I put on it because I was starting to think that POR 15, then epoxy primer, and then bog. It's not good, you know. I just think, you know, the filler should be right on the metal, on the bare metal. You know, with those two coats, two layers, the filler's just miles away from the steel, and yeah, so I wasn't feeling good about that. So I got rid of all the POR 15, and you know, started from scratch basically. A bit boring in the shed without music going. I do like my music. I'm still struggling with proportions of filler and hardener. Always thought it was supposed to be 50 to 1, so anyways, I always tend to make my mixes too hot and they just go off in no time flat, and this stuff's really volatile, it's unpredictable. I buy you know, the disposable plates from supermarkets for parties and just mix it up on that. These are the disposable plastic cups that you buy from the supermarket. On there I've got my measurements. This is a 2 to 1. So what I do is I grab a fresh cup, put it inside the marker cup. Actually, that is going to be way too much anyway, so I'm going to do half again. So we'll get rid of that, we won't need that. That one there. So I'm just going to eye this one off. Two parts primer to 1 part hardener, and 10% thinner. So we really want to only fill to about, I'd say there. Yeah, roughly about there. And a dash of thinner. 10%. What do you reckon, that's 10%? Yeah, close enough. Okay. Yeah, so once the car goes into the rotisserie, a repair on, like cleaning up the back of that, is going to be really quite a cinch. It's a bugger to get to at the moment, and I'll not worry about it.